Welcome to Kotobee Books. In this video, we'll show you how to easily publish your first book on our platform. Before we begin, make sure that your manuscript file is in the correct format. Kotobee Books supports the popular EPUB file as well as KPUB, which is Kotobee's own ebook format. Now that you have your file ready, let's get started. Open Kotobee Books website, then log into your Kotobee Books account. Click on the Add Your First eBook button right here. On the Upload page, select your eBook file by clicking Choose File, or drag and drop it into this area here. Add all the essential details such as the title, the author's name, the book's language, its category, and description. And finally, add any relevant tags to enhance its discoverability for the readers. Add a captivating cover image for your ebook by clicking the Add Cover button here. Make sure that the image is in either JPG or PNG format. In this box here, you should add your ebook's desired pricing in US dollars. And if you're publishing your ebook for free, then you should just add 0. To collect your royalties, you should set up a payment option by clicking on Set Up Payment Method here. Kotobee Books offers 100% royalties for a limited time, meaning all revenue from sales goes directly to you. Review the terms and conditions carefully. If you agree, check the box next to Yes, I agree. Finally, click Publish Now to make your ebook available immediately. You can view it on your profile and share the link with your audience. You can also find it in the New Releases section in Kotobee Books library. And that's it. Your ebook is now live on Kotobee Books, ready to reach readers worldwide.